that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hi guys, good morning. It's another vlog, a new week and a new month, guys. I'm so excited. This month is looking bright already. Over the weekend I was so busy, but thankfully that should, subside now. I sent my kids away on holidays. My first son had his graduation on Friday and it was so lovely. We have a new student that resumed today, and she did tell me she was coming today. I will have scheduled like 2 other students that wanted to resume that have been kind of delaying. I will have told them to resume today as well, but I've sent messages to the people I can send messages to that they can resume, so that I can take like a group together. So guys, we have a new intern as well, and meet Jumai. You will see more of her face here. Hi Jumai.
Hi.
Are you happy to be here?
Of course, I'm happy to be here.
This is the item I went to pick up. This is J12 wireless microphone. I haven't tried it. I'm just unboxing it right now. So this one I got 15.6 on Jumia. Jumai's name has confused me when it comes to saying Jumia. I say Jumai, but then it's not a Nigerian delivery. It was an international product, so you have to pay some money again. Everything costs 20,000 naira. So I haven't tried it. I will be doing like a sample for you guys. Advantage with this one is that it comes with a case, a charging case, so you can charge everything at once. You're not charging one after the other. Yeah, I love it, so cute. It's just like an headphone case, wireless headphone case. So this is what it looks like. When you open this is what you have. Three. So this comes with 3 pieces. This one here is what you attach to the phone. I like that you don't have to hold it or anything. Like you don't need wires around your body. I have one long wired microphone there. So once I charge it, will come, I will insert a clip somewhere so that you can hear the sound, and we can see the difference between the sound using the microphone and not using the microphone. So if you're looking for a way to level up your audio for your phone, it has a type C and a what do they call it, lightning stuff. The one for iPhone, okay, it comes separately, but this is the type C type. Okay, can't wait to show you the sound. This is our miniature wedding dress so far, and this is what we have. We have to put some embellishments on here, but I want to dress up the dress form. We also made a petticoat for this. We made use of, what's the name of this fabric? We made use of spider lining. We made use of spider lining for the detachable petticoat. So this is no longer that clean. I'll just do like a small wash for only this part. I'm not washing the bulb parts at all just yet. I hope you can hear me. Okay, cool. So this is what we have so far with our detachable petticoat. So for outfit like this, you need 2 petticoats. One is the detachable one, which I just inserted into my own. Are you seeing it? That comes with the clothes. You can choose to wear it or not to wear it. And then you need another petticoat if you want it to look very full. That one will start from here, and it's just like a skirt that you put on. That's like the common one you see and buy in the market, or you can make it as well, but it's also optional. You can choose not to use that one and only use the petticoat that comes with the luxury wedding dress. So you can see that our bodice looks transparent. You can choose to not have it this transparent by using multiple layers of laces or multiple layers of nets, and that will make it look more concealed. And also the embellishment is also used to make it look transparent as well. So you can also choose to, well, I won't advise you put satin and all that under this, but you can choose to, so your embellishment will cover up most of this. Embellishment is what makes a wedding dress stand out, so you can't possibly make one without considering the embellishment you'll be adding. So for this, I will need to trim off some excesses, remove some threads, and then we'll move on to embellishing this. But this is the progress report. Hi guys, it's another day, so good morning. For some reasons I didn't like the video test I filmed yesterday for this, for you guys, so I'm going to redo it. All my life you have been faithful. So there's someone blasting a generator downstairs, so here it's pretty noisy. I'm sure you should notice that from the quality of audio you are hearing right now. So I'm just going to start my recording on the phone. The audio you're listening to right now is from the inbuilt microphone of this phone, no external microphone attached to it. So this is what you get if you're using the inbuilt microphone of this phone to vlog at this length. Okay, so let me insert the external microphone and we'll see if it makes any obvious difference. Great. So right now the audio you're listening to is from the ULANZI J12 microphone. So it's a wireless microphone. I just want to say anything so that you can see if there is any difference. So are you noticing anything? Any difference? Any difference? Let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, this microphone has 3 levels of noise reduction. So right now I'm not using the noise reduction feature, so I'm going to set it to the first level of noise reduction. Let's see if there's any difference. So this is the first level of noise reduction you get using this microphone. Hello, microphone, testing. Now here is the second level of noise reduction. Does this make any difference? I'm not speaking any louder. I'm trying to maintain that same volume, okay? So here we have the highest level of noise reduction. Microphone, testing. Are you noticing any difference in the sound quality? Is noise reduction affecting it negatively? So like I said, everywhere is noisy currently. Generator is downstairs. So let me switch it back to the 0 noise reduction level. That's the base level of this internal microphone. So at this level there is no noise reduction, but I am still speaking through this wireless microphone. Now I'm going to pull off the microphone completely so that we go back to the inbuilt microphone of this phone. So here is the volume you get using the inbuilt microphone of this phone, still at the same, volume. So let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? So guys, I want to quickly start recording a video. I am done setting up already. I'm using placing this in a new direction, not my regular direction. Everywhere is so noisy, so I won't even be able to record the audio or anything like that. I'll just settle for a voiceover, like the generators are blasting downstairs and all that. I actually need to get a wireless microphone for my camera as well, so that I can move freely when I'm filming, because it's such a huge task. I can't use this for tutorials because I'm not always close to it, and for this one you need to be close to it for it to make sense. Meanwhile, the one I can use is the lavalier microphone. It has a long wire, but then you are just connected to your camera. It's just so much trouble for me. Wow, am I hearing some silence? Is that the sound of silence? Let me go and check. Probably they've restored that light. Hopefully they have. Hi guys, it's another beautiful day, and let me show you progress report on the outfit. Even though I have been filming this tutorial, but I'm considering making it a course. Too much details in here, but if you'd like me to drop it on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. If I get many people requesting for this, I may just drop it on YouTube. So drop a comment in the comment section if you'd like to see the tutorial for this dress, but let me show you the progress report so far. These are the sleeves. I haven't attached it, but I have attached the modesty panel. We have created the loops and the curves. Everything is set for the upper bodies, and even for the trouser I'm almost done with it. My plan is to finish, you know, filming this today, finish up the dress. I told the owner to come for fitting today, so this is what we have on the front. I used scuba because I wanted something that has like some structure, but I think I should have gotten a thicker scuba. I went for the light scuba, and scuba is this fabric they call poly. Some people call it poly material, and which other name? Oh, there's one other name it has, I can't remember now. If you remember, let me know in the comment section. But it is also called scuba here. I wanted this pleat on the waistline to stand out, you know what I mean? But this is not firm enough, okay? The other thicker scuba, it has like air incorporated into it, so it's light but thick, so it can give that fullness I'm looking for. But I've already gotten this, and we're just going ahead with it. In the other news, the cost of sewing machine is driving me crazy. I need another sewing machine for my students. I need an industrial sewing machine. So I found one on a group, but they're insisting I make payment first before checking it out. It's fairly used. I want to go for the fairly used, guys, because the new industrial machine goes for 190 200,000 currently. And guys, guys, my students are not paying me up to 200,000, one student. So I may go check out the machine maybe tomorrow over the weekend. And they are selling it, because it's second hand, they are selling it 120,000. I'm trying to negotiate for 100,000. If I get 100,000, that would sound like a good deal, you know what I mean? But either ways, I may go check it out. I have to make payment first to, I don't know what they call them, like intermediary, the group owner kind of, before I check it out. Then if I don't like it, they can refund me. But I'm kind of interested in this because that will save me. It will save me between 60 to 80,000, considering, because it's not new, right? So yeah. So my new intern has just been here for 3 days, and she has been so helpful. She sews very fast. She learns with free hand, but she sews really well. So we are teaching her some pattern drafting, and she's working with me. Guys, I'm excited. I'm happy to have her here. When I say God answers prayers, God answers prayers. That's just God fixing things up, okay? I prayed specifically about this, and seeing it just happen without effort, amazing. So after my assistant left, Joy was also planning to leave. So I don't know if it's God that is still delaying her here, that she has not left. I don't know. She moved to the other side of the town, which was expensive for her. But I know somehow we are managing it, and she's still here with me as well. So yeah. But I'm really hoping she gets to set up. I want her to start her business, that's true. So I'm not just being selfish and all. I was able to gift her a mannequin, you know. That's just my way of, my wristwatch fell down. That's just my way of supporting her. So hopefully when everything falls into place, she can go and start up her place. But I'm really happy that I still have her working with me in here. It's not easy. Somebody that has worked with you for 3 years, it's not easy letting them go. They kind of become part of the system, part of the reason why everything works out. So yeah, but either way, I'm grateful that I have an intern now. All things working together for our good, okay? Good morning. Did you see the advert I put out for internship? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know she saw the advert. She saw the advert. Where are the bands? Okay, did you iron it flat? I forgot that we're going to need this allowance to sew it on the upper part. It's a jumpsuit. Okay, you know, I said you should sew the band. Yeah. Guys, can you see this outfit? Like, I am in love. I am in love, guys. Let me put it on the dress form so that you can see it properly. I'm super tempted to make this for myself. Like, it looks so good, guys. So good. Well structured. Beautiful. I mean, this is for a smaller person, so it's just going to be so long on her. You know, if she wears high heel, better. And I can't wait to see it on her, guys. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and watch the other videos. Guys, on a more serious note, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.